You showing the brake on? You videoing it?
Yeah, lights on.
Now I'm finna try to start it. Back to the throttle. That's all you do.
Got power.
That's all you
Okay.
do. And it's a full tank of gas too. Show them that it's a full tank. Full tank of gas.
Change the spark plug.
Yep. Spark plug, then change. They sprayed starter fluid in it.
Please.
And everything. So they didn't. I had a mechanic that work on it, but there ain't no sense in having him work on it when I got a warranty.
Right, you got one.
Here go the spark plug. This is the old spark plug.
Took the old spark plug out.
Move this stuff out.
They said do the whole dash, you know, the dashboard light up. It's like supposed to. That's supposed to light up.
Yeah, it's supposed to light up, but it don't light up no more.
Oh.
And the speedometer don't work no more.
Okay, so that's whenever it don't work, the dashboard don't light up. But it's getting power. Try to see how.